Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all will be fit and fine. Lesson number 7, The Land of Snow, which I am going to teach you today. As you will open your book, you will see that get set. So, this is the startup of the chapter. Here, 4 pictures are there. One is of a bird, second is of you can call it a deer, and the third one is just like a dog or just animal of the same family, and one is an animal which you have to guess. So just start guessing. So my dear student, don't get bothered. I'm going to tell you the answer. The first one, which is the picture of a bird, that is a very famous bird that is called puffin. It is there in the cold region. Puffin, Puffin, puffin. The second one is reindeer, that is also called Barasingha, Reindeer, reindeer. And the third one, which is just like a dog family member, this is an Arctic wolf, Arcticwolf, Arctic wolf. And this is an animal that is looking very different. It is walrus, Walrus, rus. You can call walrus or walrus. So now I'm starting the chapter. This chapter you will see that the regions around the poles are called polar regions. Around the North Pole, you can see that there's Arctic Ocean. This ocean is surrounded by Asia, Europe, and North America. Student, I know that you know all the names of the 7 continents. If you don't know, then I'll tell you after this chapter. Around the South Pole is the continent of Antarctica. Now I have to explain you about the Arctic. What is I am going to explain you about the polar region. You know that the North Pole is the Arctic Ocean. There, around the North Pole, you can see the Arctic Ocean, and around the South Pole is the continent of Antarctica. Now, here I have to explain you about the Greenland. Greenland is the largest island in the world, situated near the North Pole with the Arctic Circle passing through it. The island, this is an island that remains under snow and ice throughout the year. The people of Greenland call their country Kalalit Nunat, meaning land of the people. And the original inhabitants of Greenland are the Inuits. Now the location, you have to see the location. Greenland is located towards the northeast of North America. More than two-thirds of the island is located north of the Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle is one of the ocean of the world that is it is coming in the category of the coldest ocean. The Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait separate Greenland. So underline this name. The Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait separate Greenland from the northern island of Canada. So remember, northern island of Canada. Greenland is a part of Denmark. Okay, Greenland is a part of Denmark. Dear student, listen very carefully. The US submarine USS Nautilus sailed under the Arctic ice sheet and reached the North Pole in 1958. This proved that the huge ice sheet in the Arctic is actually floating on water. This is a fact. Remember it. Okay. You know the capital of Denmark? That is Copenhagen. Now come to the land. We have to see the land. Whenever we are talking about any continent, any country, then we have to see and have to take care all the parts of all the aspects of the land. First is land. Greenland covers, we are talking here about the Greenland. So Greenland covers an area of about 21.5 lakh square meters. It is meaning to say that 21.5 lakh square kilometers. The island looks white as about 80% of the land is permanently under snow and ice. The average thickness of the ice sheet is about 1,500 meters. The lower layers of this ice sheet may have existed since the last ice age. Student, do you know the what is ice age? Ice age, what do you mean by ice age? Ice age, as the word is showing that ice means barf. Yes, very good. Ice age means the time many years before when thick ice sheets covered large areas of land. Huge pieces of ice often break away from the ice sheets and slide down into the sea. These are called icebergs. Remember, these are called icebergs. This block of ice looks like huge. Only 1/10 of an iceberg is visible. 9/10 of an iceberg is always under the water. Remember, my dear ones, when I'm talking about the icebergs, so if you will remember the movie Titanic, then the Titanic, just there you have heard the name of the iceberg. So here only 1/10 of an iceberg is visible. 9/10 of an iceberg is always under the water. These are very dangerous for ships that sail through this region. Many a times they are not even visible due to heavy fog. So the best example of the Titanic for this, if you will remember that. Mountains also floating in the sea. These are often not visible due to thick fog. As I have explained you, my dear, icebergs are very dangerous for ships that sail through this region. So student, the next part I will teach you in my next video. So till then, just wait. My dear student, thank you and have a nice day.